How long would the same 1.5 meter pendulum take to swing on the moon? But here's the thing, gravity on the moon is 1.6 meters per second squared. So in this case, the length remains the same as 1.5 meters, but now I have a new g, that is 1.6 meters per second squared. We're looking for periods still, and that's in seconds. And period equals 2 pi times the square root of L divided by G in parentheses. I don't know what period is, but I can replace L with 1.5 and now G with 1.6. Period equals 2 pi times the square root, and I'm going to do this math so I can take the square root of the result of it, and I get 0.9375. Take the square root of this. And I get 0.968246. Then I'll do this math. Six point 0.83668 seconds. 6.08 seconds. But this is the period